According to the brand, the Heusom Nail Trimmer is designed to make nail trimming safer and less stressful for dogs. Instead of traditional clippers that can sometimes cut too much nail, this device uses a grinding method to slowly file the nail down. The company also says it runs with low noise and minimal vibration, which is meant to keep nervous or sensitive dogs calm during grooming. Another thing they highlight is the simple controls. Even if you've never used a nail grinder before, the design is supposed to make it easy for beginners to handle.
We don't promote this video in any way. This video is only for educational purpose.
And to be fair, some dog owners do report positive experiences. A few reviewers mention that the grinder works especially well for anxious dogs because it files nails gradually instead of cutting them instantly. Others say they still trim the nail tips with clippers first and then use the grinder to smooth everything out. For cooperative pets, the tool can leave nails smooth and rounded, which helps prevent scratching floors or furniture. The lightweight design and simple controls are also a plus for pet owners who groom their dogs at home. That said, there are a few red flags worth mentioning. One issue some users bring up is the quiet claim. While it may be quieter than some grinders, several reviewers say it's not completely silent and can still make nervous dogs uncomfortable. Another complaint is the grinding speed. Some owners report that it takes longer than expected to file down a nail, which can make grooming sessions drag on if your dog doesn't like staying still. Battery performance is another point people mention. A few users say the battery drains quicker than expected during longer grooming sessions. There are also scattered complaints about customer support being slow to respond when buyers run into issues. Overall, the Heusom Nail Trimmer does have some solid positives. It can work well for calm dogs and may be a safer alternative to traditional clippers if you're worried about cutting the quick. But like many viral pet products, the real experience seems mixed. Some owners love it, while others feel it doesn't live up to the hype. If you're thinking about trying it, the safest move is to test it during the return period and see how your dog reacts.